Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to make your text pop with an offset stroke? I'll show you how in Canva. Click Create, select Custom Size, choose any dimensions, then add your text. Type any text or offset value, then change the font of the text as needed. Select any text in this area to use it. Click to add text, increase its size, and apply an offset to position it as needed. Select Effects, then Outline. Set thickness to 100 and color to black. Duplicate the text and merge both layers. Go back to Effects, choose Offset, and set the color to white. Set the white offset value to 50. Click White, then select both images and group them to apply the offset together. Drag the text to create an offset in Canva, adjusting its position for a shadow effect. Click Share, select PNG format, then click Download to save your file. Now you know how to add an offset stroke on text in Canva-like, and subscribe for more quick design tips.